Kuringana na arugamiriria ruhonge ruru mutaratara wa Accessible Goods Management uria wathundurirwo mwaka-ini wa 2013 ni ukoretwo ri kiguni kinene amu riu ni marahota kungania kigina makiria. Akiaria ricera-ini kambuni-ini ya Keroche, afithaa munene wa KRA Caxton Masudi ni ugite mutaratara umweru wa ungania wa magoti ni ukuhota kuhukia njohi itakinyaniire ikiro.
When you go to the market, it is either they don't have stamps or in some cases they have stamps that are not legitimate, and this enables everybody in the market to help in the elimination of these products.
Nake murugamiriri munene wa kambuni ya njohi ya Keroche, Sam Sholei, ne ugite mari na matanya makwa ndandura thoko ya njohi iria mathondekaga niguo kuhurana makiria na njohi itakinyaniire ikiro.
The systems that KRA are now putting in place is going to minimize and eliminate this problem completely. But more importantly for the government, that as these systems are being rolled out across the country to every manufacturer of alcoholic beverages, the government can optimize it and maximize its revenue.
Munini wake Monga Mumba kuma bururi wa Zambia augite mari na mwihoko bururi wa Kenya ni ukumateithiriria niguo ona ukugacirithia njira cia ungania wa igoti.
It's been quite enlightening because back home in Zambia we are still using the paper tax stamps that are not so highly digitized. We don't have any of the factories that produce beer or spirits that have directly linked to the revenue authority for monitoring the production levels.
Honge cia ungania wa magoti kuma mabũrũri ma nanja nĩ imwenyitanĩire harĩ kĩgomano-inĩ gĩkĩ. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjiru wa Njuguna.